So the rain looks green out the left now. Out here underneath that, that's the new area coming in now. Whoa! Out to the left, light and active. There we go. Did you see the green colour of the rain?
Beautiful.
I mean, there's good hailstones in it.
I really feel like claustrophobic or something.
Yeah. Keep watching. Nice and steady, nice and steady. Nice and level on the ground. Gonna get nice CG here right over them fields. Front of us.
And it's not too close to tell us.
It's great, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's closer to that animal.
Martin, I think we should get in the car.
I'm feeling a bit more. There, that's the Thunderstorm one you caught there on the left. It's a shelf cloud falling all the way across it. Whoa! Beautiful CG. Yep, on video right over that field there near the windmill. Listen for the thunder from it. Hit the ground. We're just on the Omagh Road, just took a side road.